Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Whiteboard Online. So today we will discuss about the CTET notification. तो आप लोग को पता ही चल चुका होगा वीडियो के टाइटल से कि आज हम लोग CTET के नोटिफिकेशन के बारे में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. ओके, आई नो काफ़ी टाइम बाद मैं वीडियो अपलोड कर रही हूँ बट आई प्रॉमिस फ्रॉम नाउ ऑन आई विल बी रेगुलर. ओके, सो स्टार्ट करते हैं. So CBSE has published the notice on the official website about the CTET examination. So CBSE will conduct its 16th edition of CTET exam in computer-based test, which is in online mode. The test will be held between December 2022 to January 2023. Okay, exact date is not being mentioned in the notification. It will be mentioned on your admit cards. Okay, and the other detailed information like the details of exam and syllabus, language, eligibility criteria, examination fees. So this for this information you can check their official website that is mentioned here, that is ctet.nic.in. Okay, and yeah, and for the more information you can check on the information bulletin which will be uploaded on the official website. Also in this notification they have said that the online application process will be start from the 31st October 2022, that is Monday. Okay, and the last date of the application is 24th November. Okay, also the fees can be paid up to 25th. Okay, the last date for the application form is 24th, and you can pay the fees up to 25th. Okay, also they have mentioned the application fees for the paper 1 or paper 2 for general and OBC. It is 1000 rupees, and for both the paper it is 1200. And for the SC and ST, only for paper 1 or paper 2 it is 500, and if you want to apply for both the paper then it is 600. Okay, also the examination the examination center will be according to first come first serve basis. So आप लोग ट्राई करिएगा कि जल्द से जल्द आप लोग मतलब पहले से अपना एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म फिलअप कर दें. ये नहीं कि वेट कर रहे हैं लास्ट डेट का, उससे कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होगा. उससे क्या होगा, आपको जो आप एग्ज़ामिनेशन एग्ज़ामिनेशन सेंटर आप जो चाहते होंगे वो आपको नहीं मिल पाएगा, क्योंकि ये फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व बेस पर है. ओके, ऑल्सो द ऑप्शन अदर, ये सिर्फ डिटेल दे रखा है उसका, आपको कैसे कैसे करना है. और ये भी दे रखा है कि अगर आपको आपकी मनपसंद का सेंटर नहीं मिल पा रहा है तो आपकी फ़ीस क्या होगी, रिफ़ंड हो जाएगी. राइट, सो आपको काफ़ी टाइम से इंतज़ार था CTET का. सो या तो आप लोग 31 से अक्टूबर से ये फिलअप कर सकते हैं. ऑल्सो द bulletin sorry, the notification is in Hindi also, so you can read it. And that's all for today for in this video. Please share this video among your friends so that they will be able to fill up the form. Okay, and yeah, please do hit the like button, share and subscribe to the channel. Please support this channel. Thank you so much from the team of the Whiteboard Online. That's all for today. Thank you.